If you want to import Pro Mode preset on Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro, what you can do is you can open the camera app, then we're gonna go to the Pro Mode, and in here, once you find your parameters, you should be able to swipe to the left over here in order to, of course, reveal Pro Mode presets. We need to keep swiping all the way to the maximum right side in order to find this icon, this rectangle with an arrow. This is how we can import parameters. So of course, in order to import these presets, we should be able to have a zip file that we got from someone. If you tap OK, then of course we need to select that file. And if you want to help the other person to export the Pro Mode preset for you, then once they go to the preset section, they should be able to tap on these three dots over here in the upper right corner of the preset, and then we have this rectangle with an arrow again, or square maybe. So we can select it, and then we can choose how we want to share the file. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.